Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we accessed single columns and rows. Now, we expand those concepts to retrieve subsets of our data, multiple columns and multiple rows at once. Mastering slicing and using lists within the accessors is essential for extracting specific data blocks. 1. Selecting multiple columns. To select more than one column, you pass a list of column names inside the square brackets. Note that this requires double brackets. The outer brackets are for indexing, and the inner brackets define the list of column names. Crucially, selecting multiple columns returns a new data frame, not a series. 2. Slicing rows with .loc. When slicing rows using .loc and custom labels, the stop label is inclusive. This means the row with label R3 is included in the result, unlike standard Python slicing. We specify the start row and the end row, separated by a colon. 3. Slicing rows with .iloc. When slicing with .iloc, we use the zero-based integer positions, and the stop index is exclusive, behaving exactly like standard Python list slicing. Here, 1:3 selects rows at position 1 and position 2. To summarize, mastering the inclusive nature of .loc slicing and the exclusive nature of .iloc slicing is crucial. Our next lecture 36.12, Getting a Subset. See you there.